Hey guys, what's up? If you guys already don't know, I'm back in Toronto. I'm here for a very special unboxing. Got a new laptop for editing videos for you guys. It's the Dell XPS 9570. It's not a new laptop. It came out last year, I'm pretty sure, and it was on sale, so I picked it up. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby. Yo, Andre, can you pass a knife? Really? Ooh. Ooh. No, I gotta do this. These boxes are complex, bro. There we go. That was the wrong way. Look at this puppy. I thought that was a laptop for a second. Alright, so we don't need that. Don't need this, don't need that. Let's look at the adapter, we don't need this. So that's the charging brick. That's the laptop. That's a laptop. Look how nice this is. What is that? Paperwork, yay! Don't need that. So we got the XPS logo right there. All right. So that's a laptop. Let's go ahead and peel this open. Actually, I have no idea how to do this. Oh, there we go. What? Alright, that's a laptop. Dell. Bro, it smells so good. Let's go ahead and open it up. Bro, it actually looks pretty sick. That's a laptop. I'll go ahead and start it up if it's ready. Needs charge. Alright, so this laptop has like no juice, so I'm gonna let it charge. In the meanwhile, I got something else for you. So yeah, so got the dbrand skin for the laptop because I don't want to ruin the nice aluminum finish of the laptop. Can we just take a moment to just appreciate this artwork on the packaging because it looks so cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this puppy up. Also, I got like the black camo skin for this. I was debating between the black camo and the leather skin, which I have on my phone, but black camo looks really neat, so I just ruined this already, but whatever. So we got the skin, I'm assuming, the dbrand skin. What else is there in this box? Oh, that's it. So we don't need that. Yo, they roasted me. Bitch, you think we're a barbecue place in here? Get your bitch ass out of here.
Boom. Roasted.
I asked dbrand for special instructions. I told them to like roast me. And this is what they have. They actually roasted me. Okay, I love dbrand. Thank you for roasting me, dbrand. This is for you. That's the... Oh, that looks so sexy. That's the cloth, got the skin, got the dbrand instructions. So that's the I got 2 trackpads, one camo and this, because I wasn't getting free shipping with this, so I had to order another one. So thanks to dbrand for making me spend my money on one more trackpad skin. And this is the Dell logo that I'm not gonna, actually I might use it. Yeah. Okay, so I have the skin, so let's slap this bad boy on and let's see how it looks. Whoop! Alright, the skin's slapped on. That's how it looks. Looks pretty sexy. Yes. The process was very simple. It was very simple. Definitely did not take me days to put the skin on. Anyways, this is what the skin looks like. As you can see, black camo looks pretty slick. This is what the trackpad skin looks like. Ooh, matching, very nice. So let's talk specs. This laptop that I got was a Core i7 8th gen processor. It has 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM, NVIDIA 1050 Ti graphics card. It has 6 cores, 12 threads. Also, this is a 1080p model. There's also a 4K model, but the display was not in matte. Well, actually, the main reason was that it was super expensive and I'm broke. Anyways, if you guys like the video, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in Dubai for the next vlog. Peace. Yeah, we're going to Dubai. Peace.